Hello, my name is Josh Velasquez. I currently reside in Franklin, Virginia, in the United States. I have been playing drums most of my life since the age of 5. I am what you consider a contemporary Christian drummer. I have played for many different churches, either as their lead drummer or as a guest drummer for different special events. So I definitely have been playing for a long time, getting to play with different artists. It opened doors to allow me to expand it outside of the church, playing with other artists and groups, as well as being able to record in the recording studio, as well as do concert venues. So I've been all over the place, really enjoy playing, but definitely because of course, how social media is going, the best way is to be able to expose yourself online. I'm not a big content creator. I'm not comfortable in front of the camera, but Collision Drumsticks is giving me this opportunity to be able to showcase, who I am and what I do. And one of the best things about Collision Drumsticks is being able to use their sticks. I currently use the 5B, their Reach series, so 5BRs. And I tell you what, ever since I've been playing with these, this has been a huge game changer in my playing, just because of how they feel. The quality, the lightweightness, but also you could feel the sturdiness of it. When I'm playing, I feel comfortable. And that's the best thing that I like and that I'm looking for in a drumstick is, does it make me feel comfortable? Do I feel like they're slipping out of my hands, the fatigue, the vibrations? The more comfortable I feel, the better I feel that I'm playing. So definitely, I love being able to play with these 5BR series, as well as being able to expand further and maybe try some other brand, not other brand, but other sizes. I told you, I'm not comfortable in front of the camera, but I'm hoping to change that as I continue to build more content as we keep going. But thanks again for Collision Drumsticks for allowing me to not only be as an artist, a featured artist, but most of all as part of your drumstick family, to be able to be connected with so many others, not just locally in your area or my area, but internationally. So that I thank you for that. The cover that I'm actually doing is from a new group called Hindsight Hero. The song is called Years Before. I had an opportunity to be able to communicate back and forth with them, and getting their permission to say, hey, we would love to have you be able to do a drum cover for us, is great. So I definitely look forward to be able to showcase for you. Thank you so much again, Collision Drumsticks, for making me part of your family. And I look forward to collaborating a lot more. And trust me, you're going to see a lot more content from me as we move forward with this. Thank you.
I tried to write a melody about everything I felt driving in that driveway. This flood has taken hold of me, so I hit my knees and shout to God that's with me.